In a world where you want to smoke, air fry, broil, crisp, and do other things, lives a ninja. Not just any ninja, a Ninja Woodfire Grill. Hello and...
Sorry, I can't search that. But I can search by title, actors, year, and categories like romantic comedies or sci-fi.
My box is talking. That just threw me off. Welcome to Dad Got This, and this is going to be the first in a series of videos on the Ninja Woodfire outdoor electric grill, which apparently talks and listens to you. I don't know what's going on here right now. Let's just open this up and get into it, and we'll talk about it as we go. First things first, Ninja sent me this. I get to keep it, I didn't pay for it. No money exchanged hands. They get to make no input on this video. They don't get to see the video before it's posted. These are my true and honest thoughts on this unit. Just wanted to let you know up front. Ooh, a box in a box. This always happens. All right, now we're gonna have to... Oh my God. That's it, another box. This is an outdoor tabletop electric grill that does a whole bunch of stuff. It grills, it can smoke, kind of. It has a smoker basket where you can add wood chips or wood pellets to add a smoky flavor to your food. Nice thick quick start guide, some safety instructions. Ah, good, they did send us some pellets. I gotta say, one of the worst things about getting a new grill is putting it together. It's always a pain in the butt. I'm just trying to find a good place to get a grip on it so I can, there it is, out of the box. Looks great. I love the quality, fit and finish, looks really nice. I have to admit, I am a Ninja fan. I have a Ninja coffee maker. I have a Ninja blender. I've been impressed with their products. My two favorite pans in the world are Ninja nonstick pans. Love it. So, not unexpected that this looks pretty great. What is unexpected is, I think this is all we have to do as far as assembly. We have to put these handles on. It's literally 3 steps. They provide you with the Allen wrench. You don't even need any extra tools. I like that. That is an interesting Allen wrench. Never seen one like that with that little T-handle. I like that. These guys just slot in from the underside, right and left. There we go. A little pressure to get it started. That's it. It's assembled. Pretty easy. That's the fastest I've ever put any kind of grill together. My propane grill took hours. All right, let's take a look at this thing and figure out what it can do and what all this stuff is. What's in the box? First things first, we have a non-stick grill grate. It seems to be made of a nice heavyweight metal material. I don't know if it's just steel or cast iron. Doesn't feel like cast iron, it's not heavy enough, but it is very nice. It says use with every cooking function, fix up to 6 burgers, 30 hot dogs, or 2 racks of ribs. I don't know how big the ribs they cook are, but 2 racks of ribs is not fitting in this for me. Unless they have some sort of ninja magic to make that work. Oh, so cute. This is a pellet scoop. This is for loading your pellets into the hopper. As I said, this isn't just an electric griddle. This has the ability to put pellets in it. You put that in and it's gonna add a smoky flavor to your food, kind of like an electric smoker, We got 2 bags of the Ninja pellets. Now Ninja says you're supposed to use just their pellets. I have heard from other people that you can use pretty much any pellet you want, but they say that the unit was developed to work with their pellets. I don't know how much these are. I'll have to look that up. But we have a robust blend. This little bag should last you up to 3 cooking sessions, it says. Rich wood-fire barbecue smoked flavors on just about anything. And it doesn't say, it is a hickory, cherry, maple, and oak blend. This is cherry, maple, and oak. And this is a mild, slightly sweet wood-fire flavors. So we got some pellets. This is the removable wood-fire smoke box. I can see why it says that that lasts for up to 3 cooks, because that's not a very big hopper. To fill the box with 1 scoop, press wood-fire flavor technology, and that's about it. Okay.
The hopper compartment is on the side of the unit. It is a spring-loaded top. You pop it open, pull the basket out, load it with your favorite pellets, close it back up, and you're good to go.
Just be careful. It's very springy. We have a crisper basket. That's right, this is also an air fryer. Huh? I love multi-function cooking appliances. And because it is a grill, it does have a grease tray. We'll have to figure out where to put it. So it looks like your grease tray. We'll figure out how to load that in a second. It says we can bake, roast, broil. We can also dehydrate. We can smoke, grill, or air fry. Place the grill on a flat surface, open the hood, and install the grate. Install the grease tray sliding it into the back of the grill. Haha!
Slides right in. They say you can actually line it with tin foil if you want to keep it easier to clean.
All right, let's open it up and see what we got on the inside. All right, we've got a heating element that is there for convection. That looks nice. So our grill grate looks to go like that. And then, so if you were to air fry, all you do, open it up, air fry basket. That's it. Now it's an air fryer. That is a nice sized basket as far as air fryers go. You could air fry a lot in that sucker. Word of warning, this is listed as an outdoor electric grill. You're not supposed to use this inside. Maybe on a patio or something, that'd be fine, but it is tabletop, but I don't think it's recommended to try to use this as like in your kitchen, let's grill some stuff. I think you'll smoke out the house and not have a good time. Okay, I'm interested to see what this looks like. All right, what do we have? Pretty simple.
We've got a dial to select the cooking method, grill, air crisp, roast, etc. And then there is this wood fire flavor button. Pretty cool.
As I said in the beginning, this is the first video in a series of videos I'll be doing on this. I want to test grilling, air frying, smoking, everything that this says it can do, dehydrating. Maybe I'll make some beef jerky. I want to test it all, and I'm going to make a video for each section. So if you are interested in learning more about the Ninja Woodfire Grill, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications on so you don't miss it when Dad releases those new videos. If you are interested in possibly picking one of these up, Dad has affiliate links down below. It helps Dad out. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It just is a nice thing and a good way to support this channel. Dad may be very excited about trying out all the new features on his new Ninja Grill, but Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it. Bye.